Plant FAQs. Colocasia illustris. Colocasia illustris. Unveiling the beauty and care of the illustrious elephant ear. Hi, I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to answer your burning questions about the captivating Colocasia illustris, also known as the illustrious elephant ear. This architectural plant is a showstopper, boasting dramatic foliage that can transform any indoor or outdoor space. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newbie, this FAQ will equip you with the knowledge to cultivate a thriving Colocasia illustris. See more 14 species in genus Colocasia at monsteraholic.com. What makes Colocasia illustris so special? The illustrious elephant ear stands out with its colossal, heart-shaped leaves. Imagine a deep, blackish-purple canvas splashed with vibrant green veins that seem to pulsate with life. These enormous leaves can reach up to 3 feet in length, creating a dramatic focal point. This tropical wonder isn't just about size. It thrives in both sunlight and partial shade, making it adaptable to various settings. As a tuberous perennial, it dies back in colder climates, but returns year after year in warmer zones. Is Colocasia illustris easy to care for? Colocasia illustris is a relatively low-maintenance plant, but understanding its needs is key to success. Here's a breakdown of its essential requirements. Light. It prefers dappled sunlight or partial shade. Direct sun can scorch the leaves. Water. Consistent moisture is crucial. Aim for evenly moist soil, but avoid waterlogging. Soil. Opt for well-draining, organically rich soil. A mixture of potting soil, perlite, and compost works well. Temperature. It thrives in warm environments, ideally between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Protect it from frost. Fertilizer. During the growing season, a light feeding of balanced fertilizer every few weeks can promote healthy growth. How big does Colocasia illustris get? Colocasia illustris typically reaches a height of 3 to 5 feet, 0.9 to 1.5 meters, with a similar spread. The leaves are the true stars of the show, with individual blades reaching an impressive 3 feet, 0.9 meters, in length. Can I grow Colocasia illustris indoors? Absolutely. Colocasia illustris thrives indoors as long as it receives enough indirect sunlight and consistent moisture. A bright room with an east-facing window is ideal. Rotate the plant regularly to ensure even growth. During winter, keep it away from cold drafts and radiators. You might need to increase humidity levels, especially in dry climates, using a humidifier or pebble tray filled with water. How do I propagate Colocasia illustris? Propagation is a breeze with Colocasia illustris. The most common method is division. In spring or early summer, carefully lift the plant from its pot. Using a sharp knife, divide the corm underground bulb into sections, each with an eye growing point. Repot each section in well-draining soil and water thoroughly. Keep the newly propagated plants in a warm, humid environment and watch them flourish. What are some common pests and diseases to watch out for? Colocasia illustris is generally pest and disease resistant. However, keep an eye out for aphids. These tiny sap-sucking insects can distort leaves. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil for control. Spider mites. These minuscule pests create fine webbing on the leaves. Increase humidity levels and use insecticidal soap for eradication. Fungal diseases. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Ensure proper drainage and adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Colocasia illustris versus Alocasia. What's the difference? Both Colocasia illustris and Alocasia are stunning tropical plants with large, decorative leaves. Here's a quick comparison to help you differentiate. Feature Colocasia illustris Alocasia leaf shape heart-shaped, matte finish arrowhead-shaped, glossy finish leaf color blackish-purple with green veins varies depending on the species. Green, variegated, leaf texture rough, velvety smooth, leathery stem type hollow solid edibility. Some varieties are edible, corms, not edible, toxic. Colocasia illustris versus Black Beauty. Colocasia illustris showcases its heart-shaped leaves in deep shades of purple and black, adorned with striking lime green venation, creating a bold and dramatic aesthetic. On the other hand, Colocasia Black Beauty stands out with its velvety, almost black leaves that exude a sense of mystery and elegance. While both varieties share a preference for moist environments and make exceptional choices for adding intrigue to gardens and containers, Colocasia illustris boasts a more vibrant color contrast, while Colocasia Black Beauty offers an alluring richness in its dark tones. Colocasia illustris versus Black Magic. I love the striking Colocasia illustris for its deep purple-black leaves that contrast beautifully against its green veins. Growing it in my garden has been a joy because it adds such dramatic flair to the landscape. The colors intensify with sunlight, which makes it a focal point in my shaded garden corners. Colocasia Black Magic, on the other hand, boasts a velvety sheen on its leaves that reflects light in a mesmerizing way. It's been a staple for me in creating a lush, tropical look, especially when paired with lighter foliage plants. Both varieties bring a touch of exotic charm, but each has its own unique appeal, depending on the setting and aesthetic you're going for. Conclusion: embrace the elegance of Colocasia illustris. With its captivating foliage and adaptability, Colocasia illustris is a surefire conversation starter. Whether you place it in a prominent position outdoors or use it to add a touch of the tropics indoors, this architectural wonder will elevate your space.